I just dove in.
I did dive in. I found the most remote research station I could find, and of course, nobody wants to take like a 17-year-old kid from Brooklyn, from New Jersey, and put them in the rainforest. I had no qualifications, but I went with people that were doing research on macaws, and I was out there for weeks at a time. But the luck was that I met this guy named JJ, Juan Julio Duran, local Eseja Indian, grew up in the forest barefoot, and met the dude has libraries of information in his brain. Medicinal plants, how to track animals, places in the forest that nobody knows about. And then he was just like, you're funny. You really love this shit. He's like, let's go out all night. We don't come back until we find three